Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how Klarna Pay In 4 works. Klarna is a popular payment service that allows customers to split their purchases into 4 interest-free payments. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process step by step, covering key concepts, practical examples, and best practices. First, let's start with the basics. Klarna Pay In 4 is a payment option that enables customers to pay for their purchases in 4 equal installments, due every 2 weeks. This payment method is available for online and in-store purchases, and it's completely interest-free, as long as payments are made on time. To use Klarna Pay In 4, customers need to select this payment option at checkout. They will then be prompted to provide some basic information, such as their name, address, and payment details. Klarna will then perform a soft credit check to determine the customer's eligibility for the payment plan. Once the customer is approved, they will receive a payment schedule outlining the 4 installment payments. The first payment is due at the time of purchase, while the remaining 3 payments are due every 2 weeks thereafter. Customers can view their payment schedule and track their payments through the Klarna app or website. One of the key benefits of Klarna Pay In 4 is that it's completely interest-free, as long as payments are made on time. This means that customers won't incur any additional fees or charges, as long as they stick to the payment schedule. However, if a payment is missed, Klarna may charge a late fee, so it's essential to make payments on time. To illustrate how Klarna Pay In 4 works, let's consider a practical example. Suppose a customer purchases a product worth $100. With Klarna Pay In 4, they can split the payment into 4 equal installments of $25 each. The first payment of $25 is due at the time of purchase, while the remaining 3 payments are due every 2 weeks thereafter. In conclusion, Klarna Pay In 4 is a convenient and interest-free payment option that allows customers to split their purchases into 4 equal installments. By following the steps outlined in this guide, customers can use Klarna Pay In 4 to manage their finances and make purchases with confidence. Remember to always make payments on time to avoid late fees and to track your payments through the Klarna app or website. With Klarna Pay In 4, customers can enjoy a seamless and hassle-free shopping experience.